Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. Today, the 10-10-22 looks like a tough opening for the markets. So see, if you look at Nifty setup, guys, this is what we didn't like, right? I think that day also Raj or Wakar must have mentioned over here. So ये लो वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे बड़ा बाउंस हुआ था, जो मार्केट ने एक वो कहते हैं ना कि मूड चेंज किया था, अभी यहाँ से टर्न लिया. So that turning point, right? So there was this consolidation around here. So यहाँ पे नीचे की साइड बना था, उसको break किया, but that was on the lower volume. So this is something not good that you want to look for. Next day, Nifty went higher, found resistance near 50-day MA and reversed from there, and closing was at the day's low. So I am talking about this blue candle. So 2 days, ये वाला लो वॉल्यूम पे गेन और दूसरा वाला रिवर्सल. So this two action was not something that you look for, and that's why we were saying that you need to be patient for now and wait for a follow through day, wait for a good confirmation above 50 DMA, 21 DMA, or follow through day aane tak you should be very careful in the market. Now what to look for? See, today after the gap down opening, first level that you need to look for is this one, the 200 DMA, this black line. So 200 DMA, the black line is somewhere around 17,000. The second level on the downside, like I'm not saying it for today only, but yes, once the 200 DMA is breached, then again you need to wait for this level, that is the 100 DMA, जो previous low था 750-800 के zone में, वहां पे एक बार निफ्टी पुल बैक हो सकता है. But the first level of support is this 17,000, which is the 200 DMA. So that is important to hold. And yes, so that is the first level you need to watch out for today. The key news today, TCS, the result season, it starts today. The TCS will be reporting its Q2 numbers. JLR sales was around 88,000 vehicles, and it was down on a YOY basis around 5%. The direct tax collection showed very good number. So again, the local economy indicators are very good. There is no two way about it. GST collection देख लो, मतलब hotels का business, airlines business देख लो, number of passenger traveling. इंडिया में specific अपना कोई economic major problem नहीं है. Inflation है. अभी problem क्या हो गया है कि जो crude oil, which was giving a comfort to our market, which last month was between 85 to 90 के बीच जो crude oil था, that was giving a little comfort to us. But now again it has moved up almost 10% from there, and so that will be a problem for our market. The other thing is about the currency. तो अभी डॉलर इंडेक्स अराउंड 112-13 के जोन में है, और अपना करेंसी ऑलमोस्ट 83 को टच होने को है. 20-30 पॉइंट अभी पैसा अभी थोड़ा नीचे था, बट देयर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी कि अभी का जो रेंज है वो 82 to 83 हो गया है. तो जब क्रूड बढ़ गया है, currency depreciate हो गया है INR, so that becomes a bit problem for the market, and that will add pressure on the Nifty to move higher side. जो higher side जाने के लिए वो ये भी एक resistance होगा. So it is not in the line 50 DA में नहीं है ये, but yes, higher crude price and the depreciating currency will be a resistance for the market. Otherwise, I was talking about this direct tax collection number. It grew almost 24% to around 9 lakh crore up to October 8. So this is a very robust tax collection. Other updates, the Bandhan Bank advances grew 22% on a YOY basis, while deposit grew 21%. IGL hikes CNG price in Delhi by around rupees 3 per kg to almost 78.6. Yes, गवर्नमेंट एंड LIC ऑलमोस्ट 30% स्टेक डाइल्यूट करेंगे IDBI बैंक में, और जो मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोल है वो भी छोड़ देंगे. सो आई थिंक द न्यू बैंक्स और द अदर इंस्टीट्यूट which will be bidding for the IDBI, they will also get the management control, and the government and LIC almost 30% divest करके around 60.7% stake dilute करेंगे. Paytm का जो Q2 loan value है वो अच्छा growth हुआ है around 482% on a YOY basis, and its merchant payment volume was up around 63% on a YOY basis. Global market, yes, there is a problem, guys. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq. Friday was a very tough day for the US market. So it is again trying to make new low. जो last week बनाया था, वहाँ पे फिर से वो नया लो बनाने का try कर रहा है. Nikkei, Kospi are the markets are closed today. Shanghai is around 0.5% lower. SGX, yes, as we know, indicates a major gap down opening around 250-300 point का indication है. But first level of support is 17,000. So let's wait how the market reacts around those level. कैसे support लेता है और rebound कैसा होता है. अभी important आज के लिए क्या है guys? Closing कहाँ पे आता है? चलो gap down हो गया global market के cues को लेके. That is a different thing, right? अपना जो भी क्रूड और INR का टेंशन है वो भी इसको एड ऑन करता है. बट अभी क्लोजिंग कहाँ पे आता है? क्या डे लो पे क्लोजिंग आता है? सेकेंड मतलब जो नीचे के लेवल पे क्लोजिंग आता है लोअर क्वार्टाइल पे, और इट मैनेजेस टू क्लोज इन द अपर हाफ ऑफ द डेज रेंज और इन द हायर क्वार्टाइल. So that will be important to watch out today, that where the closing is. So see, in this kind of market, don't try to jump it too early. अभी जब स्टॉक्स गिर रहे होते हैं, आपने जो स्टॉक्स कभी ऊंचे भाव पे देखे होते हैं, नाउ इफ यू आर गेटिंग एट अ बिट लिटिल लोअर प्राइस, 5-10-15% लोअर, सो इट बिकम्स टेम्पटिंग. भाई अभी ले लो, भाई अभी नीचे आ गया है, उस टाइम तो हमने मिस कर दिया था. तो दैट इमोशन दैट कम्स, you should try to control that emotion, and that is very important when the markets are falling, when the direction is not clear, when the direction is not in uptrend. You should be very careful around these kind of emotions. Now if you look at the 25 developed market that we track, so I think when the week ended on 30th September, 22 out of 25 were in a downtrend. बट लास्ट वीक क्या हुआ कि पूरा ग्लोबली मार्केट एक नीचे के लो से सस्टेन किया, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम, ऑल द 22 गॉट शिफ्टेड टू अ रैली अटेम्प्ट. तो सब एक बॉटम बनाने का ट्राई किया था लास्ट वीक. अभी इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है कि वो सस्टेन करता है या नहीं. आई थिंक दिस वीक विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ वी सी दैट कि हाँ, ये इनमें से मोस्टली 60-70% ऑफ द मार्केट जो अपना लो है वो सस्टेन करते हैं, and some of them gives follow through day, then that is a good indication. तो वहां पे एक वो बन सकता है कि there are chances of a potential bottom बन सकता है. But for that you need to see कि हाँ, low hold करना चाहिए और follow through day मिलना चाहिए. Emerging market, if you see, here also a lot of improvement. इतना खराब नहीं था अपना 25 में से. जो 10 डाउन ट्रेंड में थे वो अभी सिर्फ 2 है, and almost 11 are in rally attempt. So again over here, these rally attempts जो कि 10 डाउन ट्रेंड में थे, उसने पोटेंशियल बॉटम बनाया. जब डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 वाली हम बात करते हैं, वो बन गया है. अभी या तो फॉलो थ्रू डे आएगा या तो लो फिर से ब्रीच हो जाएगा. So let's see what happens this week. So give some time to the market. That's it for the today's session. Thank you for joining.